Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the Neon Nightmare from Home Depot. I'm pretty sure he's a halfway Halloween exclusive for them. So let's get right into this. So looking at the box, there's not really much to it. It's just a brown box with Neon Nightmare on it. We use scissors to open up the box. Be careful when you're using scissors because, yeah, I've heard some things about this guy, and I'm not really sure if I've heard some bad things about him, like really bad things, and that's why he's a halfway to Halloween exclusive, because, yeah. So let's get him open. So starting off, they poorly did this because they put the instructions in and they ripped it. So it's not good instructions either. These instructions really suck. Home Depot, you gotta get your quality up, dude. Their quality's bad. Guess we're just gonna start taking stuff out now. We have the adapter, which I just always throw aside because we really don't need it right now. Okay, this is a bad packaging, but here's the base. Pretty big base. Just gonna put it up here for now, just so we can build him. Alright, put it there. Here, let's slide the box over just to give you an appearance where I'm building him. Anyways, I do have some zip ties near me too, just in case, because a lot of people's Neon Nightmare broke, like really fast too. So I'm just hoping mine doesn't break in a couple activations, because I really don't want to get new parts. And they put this foam on really poorly too. Like, this is a poorly put on foam. Like, I mean, it's okay, but it could have been better. And there's like I just want to show you the quality of the foam here, because when they packaged this, they broke it right here, which actually sucks. They could have done so much better packaging, but instead they just wanted to shove stuff in the packaging and call it a day. So, here's the actual Jack in the Box, which is cool. It's just heavy for his hand, though. That's what I'm worried about. I like it. It's just a little big for the hand to actually sit on. But, yeah, we're good for now. Alright, this is the biggest part. It's the mechanism, because I've seen a lot of people with the mechanism, like, when it got packaged in it, like, it was cracked and stuff. I'm just hoping mine isn't cracked, because... Okay. We're already starting off in a really bad spot, because it's already cracked. But here's the costume. It's really cheaply made. And it's already cracked. Like, I really shouldn't have bought this prop. I should have looked at the reviews first, but here's this. Well, the whole mechanism came cracked, so that's just fun, I guess. Yep, there it is. This is really poorly made, because look, on the side here, cracked. Really, it's cracked all the way, yeah. Yep. It's cracked. I'll have to glue that back together and maybe even zip tie it a little bit because they gotta really package this better. Like, everything is cracked. Like, what the fuck is this hair? Like, oh my god, what the... And it's mixed in the back. Oh my god, dude. Like, really, bro. This is such cheap of a prop. Like, I'm not even done, like, getting it out of the box yet, and it's already cheap. Like, I guess, like, here's the arms, but... Like, geez, man. Fix your goddamn props, bro. I'm probably not gonna buy any more from Home Depot this year. I only bought him and one other, but I can't return them now because I guess they don't take returns, so... Does it even come with shoes? Where the fuck are the shoes, bro? Oh, they're in this box. But, like, I was... Never mind, but... Let's get this box open. I really don't even want to build this guy anymore. Like... If it's gonna come cracked in the package, bro, just, like... I want my money back. Like, I really want my money back, dude. Like, as an opportunity, it's cool that he's back, but look at these cheap ass shoes. I feel like when you're gonna step on these, they're gonna crack. I really feel like they're gonna crack when you step on them. Like, I don't know anymore. And this says to not take the foam off. But then you do gotta take the foam off? Like, what are we talking about? I guess I'm taking the foam off to get the prop on, so. Here we go, I guess. Pretty sure these are the exact same legs. Which, why the... Oh, let's put it in a different way. See, this one goes here. Okay, I get it now. And the welds on this are even cheaper. Like, the welds everywhere on this prop is so cheap. I mean, the price kind of scared me at the start, but... Like, anybody that got this prop, and if you're able to return it, please return it. It's just going to come cracked, and that's what's going to happen. You're going to have these tiny little pink shoes, which are so crappy. Like, look at this. You gotta, like, smash them on, bro. Like, this is, like, even in my opinion, like, I know it's a clown and I like clowns and all, but, like, this might be the worst prop of all time, honestly. If it's gonna come cracked, then why even buy it? Because it's not worth the money. It's really not worth the money. I would have just rather bought a fucking sitting scarecrow or something. Like, wasting my money on a piece of junk. Like, I mean, I'll keep it, but I'm gonna use it as a static, obviously, because look at this cheap clothing. This looks like Mr. Punchy all over again, bro. This is literally Mr. Punchy all over again. This is ass clothing. Yeah, this is very, very poorly made. Like, I don't even know how they sold it all out. Like, I was just excited for this guy at first. And I was like, I want to buy this guy because he's cool. And he's totally going to be good quality, right? Totally going to be good quality? No. This is ass quality. One of the worst quality ever. I don't even know what else to say because it comes cracked out of the box. Like, come on. Like, at least give it some kind of way where people want to buy it, because this is why people aren't going to buy them in stores. That's why it's a Halfway to Halloween exclusive. Because, no one's going to want to buy it in stores, because it's obviously shit. But, anyways, getting back to the point, this is my least favorite prop I have. Like, I mean, he's cool, but he's gonna break in, like, the next day. I promise you. He's like Carnival Carl. My Carnival Carl, like, his mouth stopped moving, like, 2 activations. It's just Home Depot. It's what they produce and what they do. It's so stupid, though. Like, I mean, I'll zip tie this right now, but what else is it gonna do? Like, I brought zip ties out here just in case, but now I'm definitely going to need them. I mean, like, that's the only thing keeping it held together, because fortunately it's an ass prop, so should have thought about this before I bought it, but like, I gotta zip tie the whole thing now, bro. Like, Home Depot, you actually kind of ruined my day. And this is broken too. What the fuck? Like, look at this. Poor job. Poor job. Oh my god. Like, this is barely even in place, bro. I'll put them together, but it's not. I'm not It's not setting them off because. I'm gonna have to get here and try to. I guess so. Just should have made this so much better. Such ass clothing, bro. It's mixed up. Yep, I did. Alright, so they do go in like that. Oh my god, I'm gonna... Okay, let's just get the arm on so then we can be done, please. This has already taken me so long, so I really don't want to be doing this anymore. So I don't know what hand goes on which, so... Oh, okay, I get it now. So this goes on there like that. I guess, but honestly still ass prop, but so then I guess this arm goes on here, so yeah, this isn't a good prop. So even if it isn't a halfway to Halloween, please don't buy him in stores. Like, take my advice. It's just gonna keep coming with a cracked mechanism, which is gonna mess up everything, and then the wires in the head could, like, yeah, you get what I mean. I had it wrong way anyways, so. So, stuff those wires up there for now, I guess. But, like I said, don't get this prop. Absolutely don't get this prop. Here's the second wire. Then just get this arm in place, I guess. Yep. Then put this on again. Then I think you just get this on. That should hold up. Oh my god, I can't even put this on. Look at what they did. You can see how it's not even straight. That is not straight, bro. Oh my god. Like, mine might even be like the worst one. Because mine got delayed so much also. Yeah, there's no way that's fitting in. Yeah, see? There's absolutely no way that's fitting in. I mean, if I really tried, I could. Oh, there we go. That worked, I guess. So I just had to bend it a little bit, and I guess I got it, so. But still, it shouldn't come in the packaging like that. That's just how bad you can tell the packaging is. Then this hand arm thing connects into here. Still ass, bro. Like, come on. Is like the sensor even in here, or where is the sensor? Because I'm not seeing a sensor. Like, I see the sensor spot, but I'm not seeing a sensor unless it's in the AC adapter box, which it's obviously not, so. Then I guess you put the head on. This is a cheap head too. Like, really cheap. But I guess we're going for it. So we're just gonna roll his head up like this, place it on. There's a little screw nut here that you're gonna need to unscrew. And then you'll need to screw it back in so his head can be like this. Drop these back here. I have to use this to get to it, but.
Hello there, folks. You want to see something really
I guess it
cool?
works.
Well, do ya? It'll blow your mind.
He barely jumped up,
One
so.
coming.
His motor's really bad. So that's also the problem why he's been breaking for people. But I'm just gonna repair him now, because I wanna, I guess. I just don't want him to break automatically, so that's another reason why.
Welcome. For my next act, make sure not to lose your head over it. I promise I won't. Just one more second and... I guess I lost my head over it. Get I just love this part of the song. Always makes me giggle too. But wait, my favorite part is coming up. Whoa! That part never gets old.
So there he was. It took almost an hour to build him because I was repairing him at the time I was building him. But there he was. So I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. So see you guys later.